All right, so today we got our captain chair back. It's nicely painted by my brother Freddie. He did an amazing job. So thank you very much, Freddie, for doing this for us. As you can see, it's in pieces because we pulled it apart so that we could paint it. Now it's time to put it back together. And let's see if I can remember where I took all these pieces from, because there's a lot of little pieces and bolts and everything. It's like a puzzle. So wish us luck.
Put back together, and we have no mystery pieces laying out here which we don't know where they go to, which means we did a good job. So it's all ready to go and ready to be put back into its place so that we can get the bus out of here into a better spot. Okay, so the seat is all reassembled and we're putting it down, bolting it back to the floor so that we can move the bus. We're going to move it in the next 2 days and get it to a place that's closer to where we're going to be doing the build up. Okay, so the captain's seat is done. Back in, and we'll be moving the bus in a few days. Beep beep.